I'm out of Goggan. I was working in the plant growth facility here at BTI, and I go to Dryden High School.
Well, Ella, can you tell us a little bit about all the great work you've been doing in the greenhouse facility at BTI this summer?
Yeah, so basically the problem that we were trying to solve was that two of the main components of a lot of the potting mixes used here at BTI are very unsustainable to source. And so we were trying to find replacements for them. And we did a couple tests with phenotyping and also just with growing 3 different kinds of plants. And yeah.
Did you have a favorite kind of plant that you were growing this summer?
I like the tomatoes because they were the tallest, and it made me feel like I had really done something.
And did you find that certain soils were similar to each other and some were really, really different?
Yeah, so these two are made out of wood fibers and the rest are not. And so the consistency and the properties of them are very different. Even when we initially put water on these, it was almost like hydrophobic and it didn't absorb water quite as well. And yeah, so they're all very different, but that it makes them better or worse for each type of plant.
Oh, wow. Interesting. And then I see you have a little phenotyping portion up here. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah. So with the Arabidopsis, we did some phenotyping. And with that, we found out that the soil, the BM2 germ, yielded the only statistically significant results. And these matched what we did with the width of the Arabidopsis. So that was very good.
Awesome. Great. And so do you have any conclusions based on this? If you have, a soil that compares quite similarly with the older soil that we've been using previously, or do you find it very dependent on the plant?
Yeah, so it does depend on the plant, but a thing that we found out was the BM2 was not the previous recommended soil for Arabidopsis. So that is going to be changed, and it's really good that we found that out. So we have the best results for everybody's plants.
Wow. Well, this is fantastic work you've been doing this summer. This is so important. I can't stress the importance of knowing what soil you're growing your plants in. This is awesome. Thank you so much for sharing with us.